We're going to go through an operation and demo of the 244NX. Being the NX platform, the NX 300 battery is what it's powered from. So the NX 300 battery has 2,500 cycles. Normal machines, normal batteries are about 1,000 cycles. This is taken, put onto the charger. It charges 80% within 1 hour, 100% within 2 hours. When we take a look underneath for the brushes, there's 2 different brushes available. The brush that comes standard with it is going to be the soft, super soft nylon. There's also a more aggressive long life brush, which is silicon carbide, which is going to be a little bit more bite for those surfaces that are a little rougher, the kitchen flooring with some grease, whereas the multi-surface floor will clean everything, but it will definitely do the shiny, smooth surface like we have here today. The brushes are simple to put on. There's an octagon, just take it and pop it onto the machine. You'll note as we have this underneath here that it's all steel. It's all stainless steel, powdered epoxy coated steel to the machine. It's not a base of plastics. Up into the top, you're gonna see that the 2 brushes will have 2 independent motors. Those are digital brushless motors with a lot of torque, and they also draw very little energy. Then there's also a digital vacuum motor on board as well. From there, you have the solution tank and recovery tank in one. However, they're separated. So your freshwater tank is here, freshwater and chemistry. Your dirty water is around here. As it fills up, it's going to fill up the dirty water into the top here. They take it and simply just dump it. To assemble everything back together, it's just a matter of taking the battery. It only goes on one way. Popping the battery in here, taking the tank, putting the tank into the tank, click and locking the tank. The gaskets are up here, and just simply dropping the tank onto the machine. To take the squeegee mechanism off for cleaning, it's simply a friction release with a P-trap here. So you can get at the squeegee blades. You can remove them without any tools, just opening this up, taking the blades, flipping them front and backwards. To reattach the squeegee, it's just simply pushing it back into the holder, taking the hose, reconnecting the hose, and then the natural P-trap is built into it right in here. So by looping it either side, it doesn't matter which side goes in first. From there, the machine is extremely simple to operate. But one feature it does have in one of the patents is the machine is stored and the brushes are on the ground. All you have to do is tip it. That front wheel will pop. The front wheel keeps the brushes up off the ground. To engage the brush down to the ground, it's simply to kick the metal, stainless steel to stainless steel to stainless steel, and then to release the squeegee at the back. Once you want to pick everything back up, take the brushes up off the ground, lift the squeegee up. You can manually lift up the squeegee, or you can simply pull back. The front wheel will pop and the squeegee will come up at the same time. From there, we have a flow control, and it does have water flow on both sides. One of the things with the machine, what it is in the storage position, it is very, very stable. It's not falling over. However, when you want to operate the machine, it's simply pull up on the red lever. As soon as you do that, the handle starts to articulate and will go down to a 45-degree angle all the way from the front right to here. As soon as you hit the red button and come to the middle, it will automatically lock into place. There's only 2 other buttons on the top. The main trigger control. To operate the machine, again, the red triggers. Anything red is something you're generally going to touch. We squeeze the main trigger, the lights activate. You can hit the yellow safety and then the trigger control, or you can hit the red handle and then hit the safety to operate the machine. That will activate the heads. So the heads are turning. The water is not coming out because I didn't activate it, and the vacuum is not coming on because I didn't activate it. To activate those 2, it's as simple as pressing the button for the water, pressing the button for the vacuum. As I let go of the button and put it into the lock position, the water will shut off and the vacuum will run for about 5 seconds and shut off. You can do a double scrub, and I want to put water down, which I'm doing right now. And I'm walking through. As you can see with the handle, You have complete control. It's a matter of turning left or right to guide the machine. So I can go through, scrub an area, and I've got it nice and clean. I can take it, took my vacuum down, my squeegee down, hit my vacuum, and pick up the debris. Thanks for hanging out with us on Beyond Clean. Hopefully you picked up some tips to make your cleaning routine even smoother. If you have questions or want to check out more, we've got plenty waiting for you online. Remember, we're always here to help. See you next time.